In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or deactivate a vendor in QuickBooks Online. Managing your vendor list efficiently is crucial for keeping your records accurate and your accounting processes running smoothly. So let's dive right in and go through the steps one by one. First, head over to the QuickBooks Online login page. If you're not already signed in, click the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to select from various QuickBooks products. You could make sure you choose QuickBooks Online. Enter your email and password, then click Continue to access your account securely. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on the Expenses tab. This section is where you'll manage everything related to purchases, suppliers, and payment tracking. Within the Expenses section, select Vendors. Here, you'll see a list of all your vendors and their related transactions, giving you an overview of who you do business with and their activity history. Now, locate the vendor you want to delete or deactivate. On the right-hand side of that vendor's name, you'll see a drop-down arrow. Click it to open additional options. From the drop-down menu, choose Make Inactive. This action will deactivate the vendor without deleting any of their transaction history. The vendor will simply be removed from your active vendor list, helping to keep things tidy and organized. A confirmation window will appear. Click Yes, make inactive to confirm your decision. Once confirmed, the vendor will no longer show up in your active list. Keep in mind, this process is reversible. If you ever need to reactivate that vendor in the future, you can easily do so by viewing inactive vendors and selecting Make Active. And that's it. You've successfully deactivated a vendor in QuickBooks Online. This simple process helps you maintain a clean and efficient vendor list, making your accounting tasks much smoother.